Live in peaceful surroundings and breathtaking views with this custom-built Thomas Township estate. A rare find with over 6,600 square per foot of finished space, 3 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and is situated on 2.4 acres. From its one-of-a-kind grand entry to the flowing open floor plan highlighted by vaulted ceilings, sophisticated columned entryway, and abundant windows allowing in natural light. The gourmet kitchen is designed with the home chef in mind, featuring sub-zero appliances, granite countertops, custom tile backsplash, breakfast bar, and pantry. Relax in the private master suite with an amazing walk-in closet, master bath with dual sinks, jacuzzi tub, and custom tile shower. The lower walkout level offers an additional 2,070 square per foot of finished space, including an 18 by 30 family room with a fireplace, a full bath, and a gorgeous wet bar with seating for 10.